The physical world is complex, and for people with limited or no sight, environments can be difficult to explore or even inaccessible.
A silhouetted man with a cane and a seeing eye dog strolls through a geometric landscape. He holds a smartphone as he and his dog step past a yellow outlined set of stairs.
Lookout from Google is an Android app that helps people with visual impairments better engage with their surroundings.
Crossing a threshold, the silhouetted man reappears in full color. He has a white beard, glasses, and a blue smartphone. His pink dog wags its tail and sits as the man aims his phone at different signs and objects.
The app uses your phone's camera to read text, find objects, and more.
A dotted red line projects from the man's phone and outlines a yellow sign. In a split screen, the word pharmacy appears in an outlined block. Then the man aims his phone at an object in front of him. A yellow park bench appears.
Start by downloading Lookout from the Play Store. To use the app, say, "Hey Google, open Lookout."
A play button turns into a download icon.
You can also tap the Lookout icon on your home screen. The first time you open Lookout, follow the prompts on your screen and review tips for getting the most out of the app. When you begin using Lookout, hold your device so the camera is facing away from you.
The white-bearded man smiles as he holds his phone with the camera lens pointing away from him. He aims it at a red rectangle. Viewed through the screen of his smartphone, the red rectangle turns into a package with readable sender and return addresses and a tracking number. The phone moves from the camera to another object. A yellow coffee mug with steamy black coffee appears on screen.
Try using text mode and pointing Lookout at a package on your desk. Or select Explore mode and point your device at a nearby cup. Lookout will detect whatever's in the camera's frame and describe it to you.
Mug.
When you start off, move your phone's camera slowly so it can scan the area and you can get a feel for how the app works.
The phone slowly takes in different abstract shapes, which turn into wine glasses, headphones, and other household items. Finally, it lands on a yellow crescent-shaped object and brings the item into fuller detail.
Banana.
If you want Lookout to stop describing something, turn off the camera by tapping the Turn Camera Off button in the lower left corner of the screen.
A hand taps a camera icon and the screen changes to a dark blue. At the bottom of the screen, several icons enlarge. The hand chooses one icon resembling lines of text.
For someone with little or no sight, Lookout pairs with TalkBack Screen Reader. TalkBack speaks what is on your touchscreen's interface, allowing you to navigate your phone more efficiently.
Text mode.
Lookout can be used in a variety of situations.
At his dining room table, the white-bearded man frowns at his phone. His dog watches him with its paws on the table, happily wagging its tail. In a split screen, an app icon with the number 100 appears opposite a wallet with dollar bills sticking out. A new icon appears with a barcode.
Imagine you're at home deciding what to eat for dinner. You could use currency mode to see if you have enough cash to order takeout, or use food label mode to explore what's in your pantry. Food label mode detects both barcodes and labels.
The pantry door shuts to become a package of food.
So it's best to hold the product label in front of your camera and then slowly rotate the package you're holding.
The text mode icon appears, and several envelopes flutter past before reappearing and falling into a neat stack. A dotted red outline surrounds a box of text on an envelope.
If you need to sort through your mail, use Lookout's text mode. With text mode, you can point your camera at shorter text, like mail labels or signs, and Lookout will read it. To read a full page, switch to Lookout's document mode.
A new icon resembling a page filled with text takes the previous icon's place. The envelope is opened, and a phone moves in closer to view the document inside. It takes in a blurry signature and lines of text.
From there, Lookout may prompt you to move closer to the document or guide you to change your camera angle to help capture a better photo.
A letter opens onto squiggly lines of text. A hand aims a phone at the large hand-drawn curlicues, and a message appears on screen with bursts of confetti.
Document mode also works with handwritten text. So the next time you receive a birthday card or postcard from a friend, simply hold your camera over the note and Lookout will read the message out loud.
Happy birthday.
Icon-like boxes show the white-bearded man walking his dog and smiling while seated with his phone at his dining room table.
Whether you're at home or on the go, Lookout makes the world more discoverable and easier to navigate. Download Lookout by Google in the Play Store, or just type goo.gle/lookout into your browser.
On a white background, letters fill a search bar. goo.gle/lookout.